Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. Here firstly we have to find out the thermal energy of the burnt marshmallow. So here the formula used is Q is equals to mass of substance into specific heat capacity into delta T. So here the given mass is the 100 gram into specific heat capacity is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius into delta T is 23 minus 19 degrees Celsius. So here on solving this we get here this Q value which is equals to 400 calorie. Now here in the second part here we have to find out the heat of combustion of the marshmallow per gram. So here this is equals to here this heat of combustion, this is equals to, so here the initial mass is given and the final mass is given. So the here the mass of marsh marshmallow is equals to 7.0. Here this is equals to 7.0 minus 6.8 gram, so this is equals to 0.2 gram. So here 400 calorie upon 0.2 gram which is equals to, so here we get that heat of combustion is equals to 2000 calorie per gram. Then here in the third part is the relationship between here the relationship between the burning of the marshmallow and the increase there the increase in temperature is in temperature of water is, yes, there is a this relationship between the marshmallow and the increase in temperature. So here when the marshmallow this will burns, it will releases the thermal this will releases the thermal energy which is transferred to the water and this will increase the temperature. Now the next one here is here the purpose of cutting marshmallows to 4 quarters is to, so here firstly this will increase the surface area, this will increase the surface area that is exposed to the flame, then this will allow the efficient burning. Then the second one is here in this instead of single marshmallow, here the experimental results shown an greater increase in water temperature due to the surface area, due to increased surface area. Then here next one is here the experimental design. So in there are few improvements that could be made here. So one possible is that use the accurate here the accurate method to measure the temperature such as a digital thermometer, then this will reduce the potential human error, then also additionally control the here use the more controlled environment such as closed system. This will minimize the heat loss. This will minimize the heat loss. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.